Hi, I'm Timo with Peabot. Thanks for joining us at a bike fair event. In this video, we'll talk about the ABC Quick Check and maintenance. Actually, first check the Community Cycling Center's Preparing for a Bike Ride video for a quick view of what to look at in the ABC Quick Check. Once you've shown your table visitor how to check the air, the brakes, the chain and cassette, and the quick releases, you can suggest some of these fixes in case something is off. So, they should inflate the tires to proper pressure if it doesn't feel right. They can look right down here and see the recommended inflation. Maybe there'll be a minimum and a maximum. Go ahead, pump those up. One thing to remember is if you want to roll faster, you can pump it up a little harder. If you want it more comfortable, inflate it a little bit less. If you're carrying something heavy, add a little more pressure so that you don't get a pinch flat. Secondly, if their brakes are having a problem, they're just not tight enough. Many bikes come with a barrel adjuster right here. Very easy to just go ahead and tighten it up, check it, see if that works. Some might have the barrel adjuster down here, or in this case, they've got both. And lastly, if the wheels themselves are kind of gunky, you want to use a clean rag, you can just clean off the rims, clean off the brake pads themselves, and that will often improve how much grab you get on your brakes. Then moving to the chain, if it was dry, if it was extra dirty, we get down, we take a look. We start with our dirty rag. We just kind of hold it around the chain and pedal backwards to get just a very quick clean. We take our chain lube, simulated. We just lube the chain very quickly like that, make sure every link has some oil on it, and then, again with that rag, clean that oil off. This is taking the oil off the outside. The inside chains, where it's needed, will keep the oil. The outside won't attract more dust. That's why we wipe it off at the end. And that should get your bike rolling even better than it was before. So, thanks for joining us. Have a great time at the bike fair, and have a fun ride.